Want to remove someone from Snapchat without blocking them? Don't worry, I'll show you how in just a few seconds. So, let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. On your profile page, scroll down to the Friends section and tap My Friends. Here, you'll see your complete Snapchat friends list. Now, find the friend you want to remove. Press and hold their name until a menu appears. From the menu, tap Manage Friendship. Next, select Remove Friend. Snapchat will ask you to confirm your choice. Simply tap Remove again. That's it. The person has now been removed from your Snapchat friends list without being blocked. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical Snapchat tips. Thanks for watching.